What's up, madlang people? This is Kyra again from Kai TV and welcome back to my channel. First of all, Happy New Year po sa inyong lahat. Goodbye 2023 and hello 2024. In this video po, tuturuan po namin kayo kung paano po mag-bake ng red velvet cupcakes with cream cheese frosting. Yan yung handa namin ngayong medianoche. But before I start this, hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel para kapag may panibagong videos ako ipapalabas, may kita nyo po kagad sa notifications nyo. And also, don't forget po to wash your hands. Yan yung rule number 1 natin. Wash your hands po before you cook, before you bake. Yun. Kasi syempre, tumataas naman ang COVID cases. So, kailangan well hygiene po tayo, mga ka-YouTubers. Okay, so let's get started. So, let's go. Ang gagawin natin ngayon red velvet cupcakes with cream cheese frosting. So, kailangan natin ay cream cheese and white sugar. So, gagawa ko ng frosting niya kasi kailangan siya i-chill for 24 hours. Okay, so ang unang gagawin natin for the frosting, i-chop muna natin ang cream cheese para paglagay natin mamaya ito sa blender together with the white sugar, makaka-mix. Mekos. Ayun guys, so as you can see, dito sa loob ng blender, nilagay ko na sa loob dyan yung sliced cream cheese tsaka white sugar para sa frosting natin. Ngayon, let's do the mekos. Mix pala. Okay. Diba? Dito na. Diba? Parang ano? Yun. Ganito siya. Hi guys, so ito itsura ng cream cheese natin after ko binalender and lagyan ng sugar. So right now, ilalagay ko muna dito sa ref namin. And chill it for 24 hours. Yan. Huwag mo na ilagay ito. Yan. Patungan mo sa iba pa. Then, close ko muna yung ref. So, ito yung mga ingredients natin for red velvet cupcakes. 2 large eggs. 1/3 cup, 1 1/3 cup all-purpose flour. 1/4 cup cornstarch. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon cocoa powder, pero Milo na lang gagamitin ko para mas tipid. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 cup unsalted butter. 1 cup white sugar. 1/2 cup oil, pero pwede na to. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. 1/2 teaspoon white vinegar. 1 teaspoon red food coloring. And 1/2 cup fresh milk. So, ang una kong gagawin is mag-separate ng egg yolks to egg white para magawa natin yung mixture. Then, after that, ilagay natin ng dry ingredients sa separate bowl. Ilagay natin ng 1 1/3 cup of flour. Then, next, cornstarch. Ayun. Pero isi-sift natin, imimix natin, and then let's use the sifter or strainer para ma-sift lahat ng dry ingredient. Then next, i-add ng 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Tapos 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Tapos i-mix lahat ng dry ingredients. Then, sa liquid mixture, ihalo yung sa egg yolk na 1/4 cup of unsalted butter and mix. Dito naman sa dry ingredients, ihalo ng 4 teaspoon of cocoa powder and 1/2 cup of white sugar para hindi sobrang tamis. And dito naman sa liquid mixture, ihalo naman ng 1/2 cup of oil, then mix them all together. Then, ihalo ng 1/2 teaspoon of white vinegar. And then, ihalo ulit. Then, ihalo ng 2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then, ihalo ulit. Then, ihalo ng 1/2 cup of milk. Then, mix them all together ng lahat ng liquid ingredients. Then, ihalo ng 1 teaspoon of red food coloring. Ngayon, ihalo ang liquid ingredients sa dry ingredients. Then, mix them all together. Tapos, mag-mix ng butter, i-brush lahat ng cupcake papers using the grease, like oil or butter. Ako, gumagamit ako ng butter. And then, ilagay ang cupcake batter sa cupcake paper. And after ko ilagay lahat ng cupcake butter mix sa cupcake paper, ilagay ko sa oven and init ng 177 Celsius and bake it for 20 minutes. So, after 20 minutes, ito na itsura niyan. Let it cool. After ko pinakulo ng 30 minutes ang cupcake, nilagyan ko siya ng cream cheese frosting and wala, ito yung itsura niya. Hey guys, so kakatapos ko lang mag-bake ng cupcake. So, ito na yung itsura niya. Ayun. So, tikman po natin yung red velvet cupcake na ginawa ko actually. Ayan. Ito yung frosting niya. And then this one is the cake. Ayan. Sakto lang yung tamis niya. Hindi siya sobrang tamis. Yung frosting niya, sakto din. Aprobado ba yung cupcake para sa inyo na lasa?
Yeah.
Approve! Okay, tanyo.
Winner.
Yun lang. So, stay tuned for more videos. Kindly subscribe in Kyra TV. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the bell button para kapag may panibagong videos ako ipapalabas, may kita nyo kagad sa notification nyo. Goodbye, YouTube viewers and subscribers, and have a blessed New Year. Happy New Year 2024. And goodbye 2023. Thank you and God bless you.